Everyone, welcome to all. Today we will learn how to easily and in a simple way draw a rose in a cloth. Material we need is flat brush colors, like I'm using fabric color here, and cloth, that is the cotton cloth. So to draw a rose, you should start with a small spiral shape in the center for the innermost petal, and then you can draw oval or curved lines around it to indicate the next layer of the petals. You can also add more petals with larger than the last one in a curvy way, and you can color it with dark red, and I am using here white color to shade it and to create a natural petals look. And you should also use similar way to creating a depth in contrast. Painting the leaves with a zigzag edges, and I'm highlighting the outer side of the leaves with a dark green, and the inner side with lighter green. So you can also make light green by mixing yellow and dark green, also highlighting the outer surface of the rose petals and leaves with a lighter green and yellow shade in order to give a in-depth contrast and highlighting and giving a natural look. In Sanskrit, Gulab ka Phool is known as Satpatri, which means hundred of petals. I'm using black color to give a final touch and highlight the petal of the leaves. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.